It's been 10 minutes and the milk is not splitting. Oh no! There is no space left for me to turn these. Oh my god, these are burning. So it's been 10 minutes since I've added a few lemon drops and the milk has still not split. So I'm adding a few more drops and keep stirring it. Finally, after squeezing an entire lemon, the milk has split. So now I'm going to strain it off and guess what happened. Oh no, that was close. Finally, I managed to get it all out and then I'm pouring cold water to drain the lemon flavor off. It'll also help to cool it quickly. Squeezing all the water out. To make the sugar syrup, I've used 1 cup of granulated sugar, adding about half a cup of water. I've left the sugar syrup on medium heat to boil. My chana or the cheese curd has drained completely and it's time to mash all the grains in it to a very fine particle size. This is too grainy and lumpy, which we don't want. It's better now, so let's bring it all back together. Our sugar syrup has started boiling and I've added a few lemon drops and saffron strands to it. Now I've taken some khoya or mava, which is almost double the quantity of our cheese curd. Even this has big fat grains, so I'm gonna make it smaller. The sugar syrup is getting thick. Now I'm going to mix both the cheese curd and mava together. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix it in. Since the sugar syrup is golden and thick, I've turned the flame off. Then add about 1 tablespoon of semolina. I added a little too much, but anyways. Once combined, divide it into small portions and roll them into balls. I've added cashew nuts to a few of the Gulab Jamuns, which is totally optional. To medium hot oil, we're gonna drop our Gulab Jamuns. Make sure you don't add all of them together like I did. There is absolutely no place left for me to turn these over. Oh my god, they've started to burn. I have no idea what I'm gonna do about these. So I called my mom to help me get these out. Here is a picture of my burnt Gulab Jamuns. Finally adding the sugar syrup like a pro. Because obviously it has to look good, no matter how it tastes. So we're going to aesthetically pour some sugar syrup onto the Gulab Jamuns. time to taste. I'm gonna take a bite and tell you guys how it tastes. Oh, it's not even coming out. Do you see? It's obviously not cooked well on the inside, but it looks good. And, it tastes well. So that's it for today. Let me know if you like this video. Drop your suggestions in the comment box below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. I'll see you next week. Until then, take care.